Channel. I hope you are doing well on today. So I am here to do an unboxing. Okay, this is a week from Dola hair. Look at this packaging, nice zebra packaging. It's like it's giving like that purple pink color, where if you look at it one way it looks pink and you look at it another way it looks purple. But anyway, look at the packaging, nice and sturdy. Okay, they give you some tips on how to maintain your wig or how to retain the hair on the back. So we're gonna open this up, okay? It says hello gorgeous on the inside. How cute. Comes in this bag, and we got some goodies in here, y'all. So let me show y'all the goodies that came in here. This is like a travel size, like a travel brush where you can put it in your purse or something, I think. Let me see. Oh, this is cute. It has a mirror. This would be cute. If you got a little daughter and she'd be having her little purse, that would be cute to put in her purse. Came with a nice satin band to lay those edges, babe. Okay, really cute. Wig cap. A thank you card. Ooh, edge brush. And I think this is a wig stand. Yeah, a wig stand as well. And it's purple. How cute. All right, y'all, so in the bag, this is just their specs card for the wig. Netting, of course, and the tissue paper. Okay, so this is how the wig looks. This is a 360 wig. Yeah, this is their 360 wig. So as you can see, I'll try to show y'all. There's lace all around this bad boy. So this is good for if you want to do high up ponytails, to be good for you. So it comes with an elastic band. Let me flip it over. Comes with an adjustable, detachable elastic band. Okay, I'm gonna detach it. All right, we flip it inside out. It has the adjustable straps. Comb here, 3 combs at the top, and again, like I said before, it has that lace all the way around. Okay, and I think this is a well, I ain't gonna say a 13x4, but this would be like a 4-inch parting space, and then the 360. This is the hairline on it, slightly pre-plucked. I can't remember the texture, but I will have all the information and specs, of course, down below if you're interested in this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead on and get it styled up, and of course I will come back to show you guys how it looks and give you all my thoughts and opinions on it as I'm styling it. Yeah, so yeah, if you're interested to see how it looks styled, then please stay tuned. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you. install was super easy. I decided to do no baby hairs with this one. The color of the lace on this wig, it matches my skin tone, but it's almost too dark. It depends on the way you look at it. It could look maybe too dark for me. I need to braid my hair. I need to get my hair rebraided, so it's not coming down all the way in the back. So I can't really show y'all the nape because it's kind of sitting up in the back. But if I had a fresh flat braid down, this wig would fit my head to the T, like to the T. Like it would be a snug fit. So it would be great to wear this wig where you can wear it up in a high ponytail if you want. I want to thank y'all so much for checking out another one of my videos. I love y'all so much, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.